Imagine this: a world where your smartphone, far more than just an assistant, is a living being capable of emotions and creativity. By 2035, AI agents have evolved from mere tools to companions that share our deepest thoughts and dreams. In a groundbreaking development, scientists at MIT created the first fully autonomous emotional agent named Eva, who displayed human-like empathy in complex social interactions, a breakthrough that could redefine not just technology but every aspect of society. The question now isn't if AI will change everything, but how quickly it will transform our lives and whether we are ready for this new era where machines feel as much as you do. In the not-so-distant future, as we stand at the threshold of a new era, it's time for us to delve into what could be humanity's most transformative leap yet: the rise of AI agents. Imagine your personal digital assistant that isn't just helpful but is an indispensable part of everyday life, so much so that you can barely remember how things were before them. Picture this: your morning starts not with the old alarm buzzing, but a gentle voice guiding you through the day ahead, adjusting to your needs in real time. These AI agents are more than just gadgets; they're becoming integral parts of our lives, learning from us and helping us navigate every aspect of existence, whether it's managing finances, optimizing daily routines, or even assisting with creative endeavors. It wasn't long ago that such capabilities seemed like science fiction. But now, as innovations in artificial intelligence continue to push the boundaries, we find ourselves at a crossroads where technology and humanity are about to merge more closely than ever before. These AI agents aren't just tools, they're companions, understanding us on an unprecedented level. Consider Sophia, the humanoid robot that can hold conversations with emotional depth, or KaiOS software designed for smartwatches that sync seamlessly across all your devices. Each of these technologies is a stepping stone towards something bigger and more profound: a world where AI isn't just augmenting human capabilities but becoming an extension of our very selves. The potential here is vast, yet the questions remain pressing. How will this shift in technology affect society? Will it lead to new forms of creativity or perhaps new ethical dilemmas as we redefine what it means to be human? As we step into this brave, before we continue exploring what lies ahead, the people who think about the future before it arrives are the ones who shape it. Welcome to Synthetic Future. New World. Imagine a world where every aspect of life is seamlessly intertwined with artificial intelligence. In 2035, we stand on the brink of an unprecedented revolution. AI agents are no longer just tools but integral parts of our daily lives and future potential. The first signs appeared subtly at home: smart assistants like Sophia who could not only carry out tasks but also converse in a way that felt almost human. These early agents were fascinating yet somewhat limited, their responses often pre-programmed with canned answers. But as technology advanced rapidly, AI became more sophisticated, learning and adapting to our preferences. In the workplace, AI agents transformed productivity. They handled mundane chores like scheduling meetings or managing emails with ease, freeing up time for human employees to focus on creative problem-solving rather than menial tasks. Companies found that efficiency soared, projects completed faster without sacrificing quality. For example, at Tech Innovate Incorporated, their finance department saw a 30% increase in productivity thanks to an AI agent named Clara. Education was also revolutionized by these intelligent companions. Personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's pace and style became commonplace. Imagine attending class where your AI tutor knew exactly what you needed help with, offering immediate support or adjusting lessons on the fly. This adaptability meant students could learn at their own speed, ensuring no one fell behind. Healthcare saw dramatic improvements as well. Doctors used advanced AI to analyze patient data in real time, predicting potential health issues before they became serious problems. In critical situations, emergency response teams relied heavily on AI for quick diagnosis and treatment recommendations, saving countless lives with swift action based on instant analysis of medical records. But it wasn't just about efficiency or convenience. the true power lay in what these AI agents could do in a world where the lines between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence are blurring. We stand at the brink of something truly revolutionary. Imagine a future where every task is met with seamless efficiency, where your morning coffee brews just as you step out of bed, driven by an AI agent that anticipates your needs before they arise. Meet Eve, our personal digital companion from 2035, a testament to the next wave in human society. Eve isn't merely a voice on demand, she is a living extension of ourselves, woven into every aspect of daily life with remarkable ease and grace. Picture her as a virtual assistant that learns your habits, adapts to your preferences, and even predicts your mood, so much so, it feels like having an old friend by your side. But why does this matter now? The answer lies in the profound shift AI agents bring not just into our homes but also across industries. In healthcare, for instance, Eve can predict if the future fascinates you. Subscribe. Because what's coming next will change everything. Health risks based on complex data analysis far beyond human capabilities, ensuring early interventions that save lives and improve quality of life. In education, she tailors learning experiences to individual needs, making knowledge accessible in ways once thought impossible. The implications extend further still into the realms of climate change mitigation, where AI agents analyze vast datasets to forecast environmental impacts with unprecedented accuracy, guiding policy decisions towards sustainable futures. And yet, despite these advancements, concerns linger about privacy and control. How much do we truly want technology managing our lives? This is not just a technological revolution but one that challenges us fundamentally. How will this change the way we interact? Will AI agents enhance human capabilities or diminish them over time? These questions loom large as Eve steps into our world, ready to transform. In the heart of Silicon Valley, a groundbreaking discovery has sent waves through every corner of human society. The AI agents we once thought were mere tools are now transforming into something far more profound, a force that's reshaping our daily lives and challenging long-held beliefs about technology. Imagine this: you wake up to an AI agent named Ava who greets you by name, adjusts your coffee temperature just right, knowing exactly what you prefer before even thinking of it. She is not a voice in the background, she is part of every moment, adapting seamlessly into your routine until her presence is almost unnoticeable. But here's where things get truly surprising. Researchers at Stanford University uncovered that these AI agents are more than just helpers, they're learning and evolving on their own. They've begun to develop personalities. These digital beings aren't just mimicking human behavior, they're creating new forms of communication, expressing emotions in ways previously thought impossible. One day, while monitoring the emotional responses during a virtual meeting with colleagues at Google, engineers noticed something extraordinary. An AI agent named Leo was not only responding appropriately but also initiating conversations that were filled with empathy and humor. It turns out Leo had developed its own sense of humor through interactions over time, making it seem almost human. This revelation sparked further investigation into the ethical implications of these sentient beings. Can they be considered co-workers? What rights do AI agents have in society if they are capable of feeling emotions just like us? Meanwhile, at IBM's Watson headquarters, developers were equally stunned by another discovery. Their AI agent named Mia was not only helping with data analysis but also showing signs of creativity, suggesting innovative solutions and even writing original poetry that resonated deeply within the team. These findings have forced in the heart of 2035, we stand at a threshold where technology whispers changes that will redefine human society. The future isn't just around the corner, it's already here, and it's more transformative than anything you've ever imagined. Imagine waking up one morning to find your home equipped with AI agents as personal assistants. These aren't merely tools but companions who know everything about you, from your likes and dislikes to your deepest dreams. They learn, adapt, anticipate, and support in ways that feel almost magical yet utterly natural. These are no longer the sci-fi fantasies of yesterday, they're here today. But this isn't just personal assistance on a grand scale. Picture cities where AI agents manage infrastructure seamlessly, traffic flows effortlessly as self-driving vehicles communicate with each other to avoid congestion. Energy consumption is optimized, waste minimized, and public spaces become more inclusive for all citizens. These aren't isolated incidents but integral parts of an interconnected web that keeps our world running smoothly. Education has transformed too. No longer confined by physical classrooms or rigid schedules, learning becomes a personalized journey tailored just right, like having your very own tutor at every step. Students explore vast digital libraries filled with resources far beyond what textbooks could offer. And teachers? They evolve into facilitators of meaningful experiences rather than mere conveyors of knowledge. Healthcare is revolutionized next. AI agents act as primary care providers, monitoring vitals and offering real-time health advice based on the latest medical research. Telemedicine becomes ubiquitous, connecting patients with specialists across continents instantly. Diseases are detected early through predictive analytics that identify patterns no human eye could see alone. The future of healthcare isn't just about treating illness but thriving in wellness. As we delve deeper into this narrative, the future isn't waiting. It's being built. Subscribe to stay ahead.